Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. I know we are in fall already and summer's gone, and it's a dish that we're gonna make today that it's more related to summer, but because we don't care about these particularities, we make things on our own. We're going to make a potato salad, but not just a potato salad. No, we're going to make a Baconnaise, because it's a vegan bacon mayonnaise that you can use for many other different recipes. And I'm going to teach you how to make it now, and you're gonna love it. So first we're going to start by boiling potatoes, the potatoes you prefer, and cook them until they are firm. Now, if you prefer the potatoes a little bit more softer and make like you know the Korean and Japanese potato salads that they are almost like a puree, you can make that way, it's also delicious. Or you can make the potatoes properly firmer, not firm, firmer, cooked but firmer, in a traditional potato salad, your choice. Now, we are going to peel the potatoes, cut them and set them aside. And now we're going to make the mayonnaise. Now for this recipe, it's very difficult for me to tell you the amount of oil that we're going to use and the amount of milk, vegan milk, unsweetened vegan milk, for the love of the Lord. Vegan, unsweetened milk, please, okay? Please, I'm using soy milk because it's the best one, I think, to my taste. We're going to use 100 ml and it's going to quadruple. So we are going to put it in the blender, turn on the blender and slowly adding the oil. And once you see that it achieves this consistency, we're going to add lemon juice. And for the bacon, we're going to use, Poppy is snorting here. So we're going to use onion crisps. It looks like this. You can find them at IKEA. Here I find it at my local supermarket, or you can make it your own. So it's so good because the consistency, it's crunchy. But what bacon has? Smokiness, and we're going to add that by adding liquid smoke. Now the liquid smoke is going to get it a little soggy because it's going to be wet. So you can use your microwave, okay? So I think 1 minute, okay, more than that, they're going to stick together for real. And it's gonna be a little bit hard. So remove them and then move them around so they don't stick together. They're gonna be a little bit, but then you can easily separate them. And then you are going to put it in with the potatoes and some fresh parsley. Or if you prefer, even better, fresh or dry dill. Then it's a match made in heaven. What I like to do is I mix the onion crisps around, okay? So good. And then right before serving, because then they're going to be crunchy, I add some on top, okay? But right before serving, and then you don't mix them anymore. And this is it. This is it. This is so good. I mean, you bring this to a potluck or you make it, oh my God, it's so good to accompany any dish, any meal. This is good. Get creative. Add I don't know, peas, corn, carrots, onions, olives, pickles, whatever it's going to be delicious anyway. Oh, you don't like potatoes? Make it with broccoli. Make it with sweet potato. Jesus, take the wheel. With sweet potatoes, I gotta tell you, it's delicious. As everything we make here on the channel. Agree? Agree. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and the whole shebang. Important. The recipe is going to be written in the description under the videos. Just expand, you're gonna see it, and the printable one on my website. Okay? Have a fabulous week. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.